everyone! I am Justine and today I'm going to show you how to make rainbow cupcakes.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here.
So first, preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. So for the dry ingredients, you're going to need
2½ cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt.
For the wet ingredients, you'll be needing
4 large eggs, 1 cup of softened butter, ½ cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and food colorings mainly red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet.
Now, add the vanilla extract into the milk and mix it. And now, divide the milk mixture into these 6 little bowls, measuring for 1½ tablespoon each. Now, I'm going to add the food coloring into the milk mixture, measuring for ½ teaspoon each. I'm going to start with red.
If you want a strong color of the rainbow, add at least 2 or more drops of food coloring to the milk mixture. Furthermore, if you wanted a pastel or light colored rainbow, use only 1/4 teaspoon of the food coloring. I am doing this method because it is easier for me to blend in the color to the batter, and also, the batter will not be over-mixed.
Now, as you can see, I'm done with all the colors. Okay, now let's move in making the batter. In a larger bowl, add the 2½ cups of flour.
Then add the sugar, baking soda, and salt. Now, add the butter and the 4 large eggs into the flour mixture.
Now, using an electric mixer, beat the flour mixture with the butter and eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes, starting from low speed and increasing to high speed. And now that the batter is done, I'm going to divide it again into these 6 little bowls. Divide it as equally as possible. You can weigh it, measure it, or just do what I'm going to do, which is I'm going to guess it. So that's all of the batter. Now, fold the mixture very gently until everything is well incorporated. So the next thing to do is layering each color to the cupcake liners. You can put the batter into the piping bag and just swirl it, or scoop and drop the mixture as the usual method. So the order will be violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, and the topmost is going to be red. Now, I'm done layering the colors of the cupcakes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake this in the preheated oven for 20 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the cupcakes comes out clean. So I'm done baking all the cupcakes and this is how it looks like. So for the buttercream frosting, you'll be needing 450 grams of icing sugar, 200 grams of butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, and ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. So using an electric mixer, beat the 200 grams of butter until it becomes pale and fluffy. So creaming the butter may take a while. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes because you wanted to achieve this kind of pale color. So now we're going to add the icing sugar to the butter. Just put the first half first.
Then add the remaining icing sugar and beat it again, starting from low speed increasing to high speed for 2 more minutes.
And now we're going to add the vanilla extract and the milk. Now it's time to decorate the cupcakes. Hold your cupcakes like this and take just an enough amount of the buttercream. Just pat the buttercream icing to the cupcake until everything is well covered. Now, decorate with some sprinkles. Don't wait too long for the buttercream before you decorate it with sprinkles because it will dry and the sprinkles won't stick in it. Did you know that cupcakes can be traced back to 1796? The original recipe for cakes calls for them to be cooked in small cups. So this means that cupcakes are already existing for more than 200 years ago. So I recommend that when layering the rainbow cupcakes, use the piping bags techniques as I did because it is less messy and it is more accurate and less hassle. So that's it. Here are the rainbow cupcakes, and again, I am Tin and thank you guys for watching.